Having trouble with group texts in the US? Let's break down the problem. Traditionally, group texts used MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service. MMS relies on your mobile data and specific APN settings, but it's becoming outdated. The future is RCS, or Rich Communication Services, a modern upgrade offering read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media. Major carriers have adopted RCS, but problems can arise, especially in mixed Android-iPhone groups. We'll explain how to identify whether you're using MMS or RCS and why that matters for troubleshooting. Let's get your group texts working. First, ensure RCS is enabled in your messaging app, usually Google Messages on Android. Next, check your APN settings. These are the gateway settings that connect your phone to your carrier's data network. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of group text failures. You can either reset to default APN settings or manually enter carrier-specific values from their website. Make sure your mobile data is turned on and restart your device. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier to check for outages or further APN misconfigurations. Apple iPhones now have better RCS support, fixing many issues with green bubble texts when messaging non-iMessage users. However, APN settings may need to be manually updated in some cases to get RCS working.